Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make the before and after slider easily in CapCut. Without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to bring your footage in CapCut. Once you have your footage, just drag and drop on the timeline. Right click on the footage and copy that and paste it on top, just like this, so it's act like an overlay. Select your overlay and go to adjust and adjust this overlay. They color grade it to your willingness. Let me add a bit of saturation, less exposure, more contrast, more highlight, less white, black, brightness, clarity, and I think that's better. So just color grade it the way you want it to be. Once you've color graded your clip, go to video and select mask. Add new mask and select the split one. Turn it until it's 90 degrees, like this, and then slide it to the beginning of the clip. Once you're on the beginning of the clip, go down here and you'll find mask setting. Click on the first keyframe and move a bit, and then add another keyframe. From here, you should move this line until the end of the clip, like this. And then by doing this, you have your before and after slider. So let's play it and see how it looks like. Perfect. So that's all you need to make a before and after a slider in CapCut. It's very easy. All you need to do basically is to duplicate your video and put the other one on top like an overlay and add two keyframe and animate it. So that's all you need to make the before and after slider. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next one. Peace.